Hello, the learning objective for this video is to be able to determine the equation of a line given 2 points using slope-intercept form. So questions will look like this. Determine the equation of a line containing 2, 3, and 6, 15. The first step here is to determine the slope. If we're given 2 points, we can determine the slope. So pause the video and determine the slope given these 2 points. Slope is the change in y over the change in x, so that would be 15 minus 3 over 6 minus 2, which gives us 12 over 3, which gives us a slope of 3. So we now know the slope of the line, but we don't know the y-intercept. Step 2 is to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form by substituting the slope and leaving b as the y-intercept. Pause the video and do this step. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and we know the slope is 3, so we can write it as y equals 3x plus b, and we're just going to leave b there because we don't know what it is yet. Step 3 then is to substitute x and y values from one of the 2 points that are given into the equation. Pause the video and substitute in the x and y values from one of the 2 points. Okay, you have 2 choices here. We could have used this point, 2, 3, which would have given us our first equation. The y value is 3, and the x value is 2, and we substitute those in. Or we could have used the other point, giving us this equation, where the y value is 15 and the x value is 6. The next step, step 4, is to solve for b. So taking one of the 2 equations, solve for b. Pause the video, and we'll talk about it. Okay, by simplifying and using inverse operations, with the first equation, we wind up with 3 equals 6 plus b. We subtract 6, and we get b equals negative 3. And if we do it using the other equation, we get the exact same result. By subtracting, we get b equals negative 3, because only one line can pass through 2 points. So now we know b. Step 5 then is, because we know our slope and we know our y-intercept, write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Pause the video and write the equation of the line. Again, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And in this case, we know the slope is 3, and we know that the y-intercept is negative 3. So that gives us an equation of y equals 3x minus 3. And we're done. Let's see if you guys can do it. Try this question out. Determine the equation of the line in slope-intercept form containing these 2 points, 3, negative 2, and 1, 4. Pause the video, and I'll show you my work in a second. All right, step 1, I found my slope, negative 3. Then I put my slope into slope-intercept form, which gave me y equals negative 3x plus b. I don't know what b is yet. Then I took a point. I could have taken either point, but I chose this point right here, and I substituted it in. Then I solved for b, and I got b equals 7. Then I wrote my equation, y equals negative 3x plus 7. Let me get rid of all that nastiness. There we go. Beauty. Okay. If you have time, try it out 3 times, and I'll put up the answers. Pause the video and give it a shot. And here are my answers. 2x minus 1, negative 4x minus 14. That's a 14. Right there, it's a 14. And y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2. I think I did those right. We'll practice this tomorrow in class, and see you later, sorta.